This subunit introduces the concept of AI in cloud computing environments. As AI technology continues to advance and become more integrated into enterprise operations, the challenge of building and maintaining a robust AI infrastructure has become a critical factor for determining success in the AI era. Design complexity is a major challenge in AI infrastructure. As AI models become more sophisticated, they require more powerful hardware and specialized software to train and run. This complexity can lead to unpredictable performance and scalability issues. Deploying an AI infrastructure can be a lengthy and complex process. It involves procuring, installing, and integrating multiple technologies, including hardware, software, and networking components. This can lead to delays and increased costs. Training and ramping up day-to-day production is a critical aspect of AI infrastructure. It requires a significant amount of data, computing power, and expertise to train AI models and ensure they're performing accurately. Additionally, as AI models are continuously improved and updated, it can be challenging to ramp up production to meet the demands of the business. AI in the cloud refers to the integration of artificial intelligence technologies with cloud computing infrastructure, allowing businesses to leverage scalable computational power and innovative machine learning services. By harnessing cloud resources, organizations can efficiently process data, integrate AI algorithms, and drive insights, fostering cost-effective and collaborative solutions for diverse applications. Harnessing computational power. AI in the cloud utilizes cloud computing resources to perform complex artificial intelligence tasks, enabling businesses to access immense computational power without excessive on-premises hardware. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based AI solutions provide seamless scalability, allowing users to adjust resources dynamically based on the demand of their applications, ensuring the efficient utilization of computing capabilities. Accessible machine learning services. Cloud providers offer pre-built AI services, making it easier for developers to integrate capabilities such as speech recognition and natural language processing into their applications. Data management and integration. Cloud-based AI solutions provide robust tools for managing, storing, and processing data, enabling organizations to derive meaningful insights from their data and enhance decision-making processes. Cost-effectiveness and collaboration. AI in the cloud eliminates upfront investments, allowing businesses to pay for resources as they use them. It also fosters collaboration among teams, enabling real-time sharing of models and datasets, promoting innovation and efficiency. Now that you have an understanding of what AI in the cloud is, let's explore the unification of cloud computing and AI. In the seamless integration of artificial intelligence and cloud computing, businesses can unlock unprecedented potential. This synergy not only enhances efficiency and security, but also fuels innovation and global collaboration, shaping the future of technology-driven enterprises. High-performance computing. ML models require powerful CPUs and GPUs for processing large datasets. Cloud systems, public, private, or hybrid, provide the necessary compute power based on security and compliance needs. Automating processes. AI and cloud computing converge to automate tasks like data analysis, management, security, and decision-making, enhancing efficiency and reducing costs across enterprises. Advanced cloud services. AI cloud computing facilitates services essential for ML, including serverless computing, batch processing, and container orchestration, enabling seamless integration and scaling of machine learning applications. Data-driven insights. AI's machine learning capabilities provide impartial data interpretations, fueling efficiency and cost savings by analyzing large sets of structured, unstructured, or raw data. Global accessibility. Cloud-based AI solutions provide global accessibility, allowing organizations and users to access AI services and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. This accessibility fosters collaboration, innovation, and user engagement on a global scale. Accelerated innovation. The synergy between AI and cloud computing accelerates innovation by enabling rapid development, testing, and deployment of machine learning models and applications. This agility fosters experimentation and innovation, allowing businesses to stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. Now that you have a general understanding of the challenges of AI infrastructure and how AI in the cloud could help mitigate those challenges, it's time for a knowledge check before we turn our attention to Subunit 12-3, AI in the Cloud Use Cases. You are well on your way to completing this unit. Next up is Subunit 12.3, which covers AI use cases in the cloud.